Hi, I'm Fran Bricken, and I'm here today to talk about rubber stamping techniques. The first technique is just your basic rubber stamping with one image. You want to get a rubber stamp, which is a wooden block mounted with a rubber stamp on the back, and get some ink. There's several different kinds of inks. There is a permanent ink and a pigment ink. The permanent ink is going to stamp a real sharp line and dry very quickly. The pigment ink is going to be a little bit of a richer stamp, but it does take a while to dry. First thing you need to do is get your rubber stamp. You want to place it over your pad. Make sure you cover the entire stamp. You don't have to press real hard. You want to look at it, make sure it looks like everything's covered. You want to place it on your piece of paper. Just place it down. You don't want to move it or rock it, but just push kind of gently over the edges to make sure you get the whole image on there. Take it up carefully, and you'll have a rubber stamped image that's just plain that'll look like that. There's many different kind of techniques you can do with that, but just a plain rubber stamp will make a very nice card and end up looking like that. You can also do multiple stamps with just one image, where you take, say, two just flower stamps, press them on your pad. This pad actually has several colors on it, so it'll give you a couple different colors on there. So again, press, make sure that your image is covered. And that's going to give you a couple different looks, so that you can end up covering your whole page, and you can make a card or an image that would end up looking like that. Also, with one stamp you can do what is called masking, and that is taking a stamp like this that has 3 images on it. Maybe you needed 5 on your card, so you want to stamp your image on here, take it off, stamp another card, cut it out around the actual image, place it over what you just stamped, and then stamp it again, take it off, and that'll give you multiple images going across. That's called masking. These are just a few of the basic techniques on rubber stamping.